So hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is the best state of mind while you're preparing for any exam. Yeah. So let us consider two situations. Suppose you have prepared for an exam like IIT and you are appearing for something like ninth class exam. So what will you feel there? First of all, you will know everything, right? You will know everything. You have prepared up to IIT level. You are sitting for ninth class exam. You will know everything and you will have the confidence. Your mind will be so much relaxed, right? Now this is the best state of mind when you know everything and also your mind is so peaceful. Yeah, so your mind is so peaceful and you are confident. Suppose you have prepared for IIT JEE and you are appearing for IIT JEE only, right? Now what happens in the exam? Some things you do not know, okay, and the other things which you know, so you have little tension in the mind is not that much confident and relaxed as it was in ninth class exam. Yeah, and in that tension you do some things wrong. Okay, now these are the mistake. Best state of mind is knowing everything and the mind is so cool, relaxed and confident. This is the best state of mind. And in this exam you do not know everything. Now this is one mistake and your mind is not also relaxed. So this is another mistake. Now what to do for this? Okay, so first of all, practice. So practice is the most important thing. You practice a lot of things. No. So practice limited things so many times. This is the funda. So this is also one statement by Bruce Lee. You must have heard that I do not fear that man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but the one who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Right? So you have to practice limited books many times so that it becomes a play for you. You are so confident in that. This is one thing. Okay, so limited books, do good books, do them many times, become perfect in them so that in the exam you see, oh my god, this is so easy. Yeah, this should be your state of mind. You know most of the things and you are so confident. Okay, have done these type of questions so many times. Right? This is important. Okay. Now to achieve this state, this way, those who are preparing from ninth class for Olympiads, NTSC, they are, have a better edge over those who are preparing in 11th and 12th. So those who are preparing in 11th, 12th, they have 2 years, and those who are preparing from ninth or from the even 6th, some people prepare from 6th. So they are at a little more edge over this. But however, you can get a very good rank in 11th, 12th. But I am saying that doing a lot of practice in 2 years becomes a little difficult. Yeah. So obviously, what you can do. So in 11th and 12th, obviously you must do 50 to 100 questions daily, as I've already told in the previous classes. So it must become a play for you. It must become so easy for you. Yeah. So that in the exam you are so confident. Now, what is the second thing? The second thing which I have already spoken in the previous video also, it is yoga, right? So with yoga, you can achieve those state of minds. Now you can see some people are there, it becomes a habit of getting angry. Yeah, so it is in the nature of person. You see a question, you may become tensed or you may not become tensed. So it is in your nature, right? So to improve that state of mind, yoga can also help you. So as I already say, you must do 12 Surya Namaskars daily, and also if you can go for Sudarshan Kriya of the art of living. So these things can help you. Yeah. So practice. So first of all, know what the state of mind should be in exam. It should be confident. Yeah. It should be so much confidence, and you must know everything. This is the best state of mind. Okay. What happens with most of the aspirants who are good? So they go to the exam and they do not know most of they do know a lot of things, but they do not know everything. Yeah. But the problem that comes is they are not so much confident, and with the tension, they do a lot of things wrong. Negative marking goes. This is the problem. Yeah. This you must capture, and there are only 2-3 ways. First of all, practice such type of questions many times so that it becomes a play for you. Okay. On daily basis also, what you can do. So when you practice 50 to 100 questions, you must devote some time for enjoyment. So you can listen to some song, you can go for some dance or whatever which makes you happy. So just on the day of exam, it cannot happen that you will have that state of mind instantaneously. It has to be practiced. So a happy mind has to be practiced over the time. So while you are preparing every day, you must see that it is just like an exam day. Every day should be like an exam day. You are solving 50 to 100 questions daily, and you are devoting some time for entertainment, which is relaxing you, yeah, which is making you happy. So you can go for dance, you can go for singing, you can go for some sports or whatever makes you relaxed. In which, what is the relaxed state of mind? In which you do not have to think much. Yeah, if you are constantly thinking, now the mind gets in the habit of overthinking. This is the problem. Yeah, so it has to get relaxed. So every day practice this. Every day practice your questions so that your knowledge increases, and every day practice something which makes you relaxed and happy. If you do this for your whole journey of 2 years or 1 year or 4 years or whatever, you are preparing for any exam, on the exam day you will be confident and you will know most of the things, and you will definitely get a very good result. Yeah, so this you must remember. So I hope I have made the thing clear, that concept should be made clear, that on the exam day how should I be and how to reach there. If you still have any doubts about this, so you can write in the comments, we'll definitely discuss, make another video accordingly. And okay, so thanks for joining.